How to send documents through email. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you can simply do is launch the Files application on your device over here. As you tap on the Files option, you can simply select on Documents to select on a preferred document over here that you would want to send. So I'm going to select on a particular document over here and tap on three dotted lines and select on Share option. As you tap on share, you'll be able to see different options that pop up. So I'm going to simply select on the Gmail option. This will redirect us to the Gmail application over here. So simply tap on the option over here on who you would want to send. And now select on the subject. And then just send it. And as you do that, you'll be able to send documents through email. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.